Imagine making 10K a month with Softer. That's not just a dream. There are 3 different ways to make 10K a month. This is the blueprint for your side hustle. Here are the 3 ways: coaching, SWAS, software with a service, and templates. So let's get into it. How can you make money with coaching? You can create a workshop where you're teaching a startup how to utilize this platform, or you can have a service where you're coaching them through creating their own web application or their website using Softer. With Softer, you can start with a template or start from scratch, but now you're going to be able to create a web application with ease and really help your clients get through the process. A lot of people get hung up on the tech. If you're going to be having a workshop or one-on-one coaching, you can help them decide on the right kind of template and teach them how to execute fast. I suggest doing something like an all-day workshop where it's going to be 5 to 6 hours. You can charge anywhere from 5 to 10K, depending on the startup. But again, focus on the deliverable and what they're trying to do. If they're trying to get started very quickly with having an MVP marketplace and they have either funding from a seed round or a Series A, that's nothing. You can be starting at 5 to 10K easy once you understand what their value proposition is, where they need to start, and how fast they need to start. All of those things factor in how much you can charge with your workshop. I also prefer workshops because then you can have a clear deliverable of the workshop and what's going to happen by the end of the workshop. And then you can go into pricing if they need additional help, or if you can do more consulting on a monthly basis after they execute with the workshop. Next, SWAS, software with a service. Bottom line, this allows you to talk about a platform that you're really excited about, like Softer, and you have them buy it. They're going to use your affiliate code, and then you're going to be getting paid month over month. What makes you stand out with SWAS is you can say, hey, I will install this for your business, or I will get you started with a template. All I'm asking you to do is also to use my affiliate code. So then you could be working with that client for a limited time, but then as long as they're going to be using the platform, the lifetime of them using it, you're still getting paid on the back end as well. This is really good because if you're already having a certain productized service, such as, hey, I build MVP marketplaces for Airbnb type of businesses, or I build internal tools, you can already have those templates already made or those type of applications made from your account. And then when they're coming over, you're easily being able to rinse and repeat, duplicate what you've created, and then be able to sell that type of service. I prefer the SWAS model because it allows me to have affiliate revenue as another stream of income without me needing to really focus and do huge campaigns on affiliate marketing. That's always something that you can be doing, but personally, I have found that working with one-on-one to clients or working with a smaller group and then they're using my affiliate codes, it just feels better. And of course, I always give them an option. The other way you can always say is, hey, this is part of my packaging. I am able to do this, but you have to use my affiliate code. But I want to make sure that you're doing this ethically. They know that it's affiliate link and you're just not spurring it on to them. They're like, hey, what's all those letters and numbers? What's all those things afterwards? You're like, don't worry about it, just click. No, I would, of course, let them know what you're doing. And if they're comfortable with it and they want to opt in, allow them to do it. And if they have questions, let them ask questions. And number 3, templates. Softer allows you to create different applications and then be able to transfer them to other people's accounts. This is perfect because if you're creating a very custom MVP workflow and pages, now you can package that and sell that later on. In fact, I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to create MVP marketplaces, the best in the business that we've seen, what works, what converts, and then we're going to be selling those marketplaces somewhere down below. There's going to be a link or something like that, and if you want to get on the waiting list, if it's not out yet, there's going to be a link down below for you to do that. Templates are great because that allows you to scale. It allows you to scale your business, what you're doing, and you're not trading time for money. You're going to be able to scale your operations. And again, it allows people to really understand the platform and what you're providing, and you're distilling this down from a template that they can buy. To note, not only can you sell a template for a couple $100s to start with, you can always do a template plus, where you're adding videos or other resources along with the template. Maybe you're releasing the template, but also you're going to be giving videos how to edit the template or how to scale your business. You made templates for other platforms and now you're thinking about bringing it over to templates. In the comment section down below, let me know if you've built templates before. Are you planning on doing this for Softer? Or if you have any questions, let me know. Now hold on a minute. This is part of a series we're teaching you how to create high profit side hustles that you can start right now. We talked about at the beginning making 10K. This isn't just a pipe dream. This is what we do. We have multiple streams of income and we use a series of SWAS, templates, and group coaching to make sure that we build this out the right way that we like it and the way that fits our style and our business. If you want to get started with Softer, remember there's a link down below that you can get started. That's our own affiliate link for you to start making over $10,000 a month.